Forget everything you know about farming. The tractors we see today, with drivers behind the wheel, will be relics of the past, just like horse-drawn plows are to us now. We're talking about the dawn of the autonomous smart tractor, a true marvel of engineering and artificial intelligence. Imagine vast fields of golden wheat, stretching as far as the eye can see, being tended not by human hands, but by a fleet of silent, intelligent machines. These aren't just tractors. They're the robotic guardians of our global food supply. Picture this. The sun is just beginning to rise, casting a warm glow over the landscape. Out in the fields, these sleek, futuristic vehicles are already at work. There are no drivers, no steering wheels, not even a cabin for a person to sit in. Every single movement, every decision is controlled by an incredibly advanced AI. This AI isn't just following a pre-programmed path. It's constantly learning and adapting. It processes terabytes of data every second from a network of sensors embedded in the soil, weather stations, and even satellite imagery. It knows precisely which part of the field needs more water, which section requires nutrients, and where a potential pest problem is emerging, long before a human eye could ever spot it. This level of precision farming means we use fewer resources, less water, less fertilizer, making agriculture more sustainable than ever before. It's not just about efficiency. It's about being responsible stewards of our planet. Now, let's talk about one of the coolest features of this 2050 farm, the drone swarm. Hovering high above the tractors is a coordinated swarm of small, autonomous drones. These are the eyes in the sky, providing a constant 360-degree, real-time view of the entire farm. They work in perfect harmony with the tractors on the ground. One drone might use hyperspectral imaging to analyze crop health, detecting subtle changes in the color of leaves that indicate stress or disease. Another might use thermal cameras to monitor soil moisture levels with pinpoint accuracy. This information is instantly relayed to the central AI hub, which then directs the ground fleet. If a patch of corn is showing signs of dehydration, a smart tractor is immediately dispatched to provide a precise amount of water directly to the roots, avoiding any waste. If the drones spot an invasive weed starting to sprout, a specialized tractor equipped with laser weeders can go and zap it with a beam of light, eliminating the need for chemical herbicides. This symbiotic relationship between the aerial swarm and the ground-based tractors creates a perfectly optimized, self-regulating ecosystem. It's like the farm has its own immune system, constantly monitoring and responding to threats. 8. But what happens when something goes wrong with one of these complex machines? In 2050, you won't see a farmer with a wrench trying to figure out a mechanical issue. These tractors are equipped with a revolutionary self-repair mode. The AI continuously runs diagnostics on all its systems. If it detects a minor issue, say, a sensor is miscalibrated, or a hydraulic line is losing pressure, it can often fix the problem itself. Tiny internal robotic arms, guided by the AI, can perform simple repairs, replace worn-out components from an onboard supply, or reroute systems to bypass a non-critical fault. For more significant issues, the tractor will automatically diagnose the problem, order the necessary parts from a central depot, and drive itself to a designated maintenance bay, where a specialized repair drone or a human technician can perform the fix. The system is designed for maximum uptime. The goal is to keep the farm running 24/7, 365 days a year, without interruption. This level of autonomy means that a single farm manager can oversee hundreds or even thousands of acres from a central command center which might be hundreds of miles away. They're not driving tractors. They're managing data and optimizing the overall strategy of the farm. Now, for the powerhouse behind this relentless operation, the engine. The carbon footprint of farming has always been a major concern, but by 2050, we've cracked the code. These smart tractors run on a sophisticated solar and electric hybrid system. The entire surface of the tractor is covered in next-generation, ultra-efficient photovoltaic panels. These panels are constantly absorbing solar energy, even on overcast days. This energy is stored in high-capacity, solid-state batteries. This setup provides what is essentially infinite runtime. During the day, the tractor runs primarily on direct solar power while also charging its batteries. When the sun goes down, it seamlessly switches over to battery power, allowing it to continue working through the night. It never needs to stop to refuel. It never produces any emissions. This is clean, green, and incredibly powerful technology. Imagine a fleet of these tractors working silently under the stars, plowing, planting, or harvesting, all powered by the energy they collected during the day. It's a beautiful vision of a truly sustainable future. The impact of this technology will be profound. It will help us feed a growing global population, which is expected to reach nearly 10 billion people by 2050. It will make our food production more resilient to climate change by optimizing water usage and soil health. It will reduce the environmental impact of agriculture, cutting down on emissions and chemical use. And it will free up human labor for more creative, strategic, and less physically demanding roles in the agricultural sector. We're not just talking about a better tractor, we're talking about a fundamental shift in our relationship with the land and with technology. The farm of 2050 is a smart, interconnected, and self-sustaining system where humans, AI, and robotics work together in harmony. The days of backbreaking labor under the hot sun will be replaced by a new era of precision, intelligence, and abundance. This isn't science fiction. This is the future we are actively building today. The seeds of this revolution are being planted right now in labs and research fields around the world. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the autonomous farm of the future? Or does it sound a bit intimidating? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What other future technologies are you curious about? Let me know, and maybe we'll explore them in a future video. Thanks so much for joining me on this journey to 2050. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of tomorrow, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more content about the amazing technologies that will shape our future. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you won't miss our next adventure.